Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rob here, Fully Loaded Customs. On today's video, I'm in Pembroke, Ontario, my hometown, at my mom and dad's place here. We're going to get one of my brother's vehicles all fixed up and painted, so stick around for today's video. Cool guys, this is my brother's 1973 Buick Riviera. Mike, how long you had your car here for?
Oh, that car has been sitting in the driveway here probably for at least 8 years working on it.
8 years. Mike,
this is the eighth summer working on it. I was hoping to get on the road this summer, but shoot for next summer.
Shoot for the next summer here?
Shoot for next summer, just to get it on the actual road. Safety checked, you know, Ontario.
Get it
safety
all
check.
Checked out. So this is one of this is what, the 455 that's in this, right?
The Buick 455. The 73 model that's all like the power's all dulled down, all smog, this and that. Everybody hates that motor.
Oh, okay.
But it's perfectly fine for me.
So this is a really cool car. So this has the boat tail on it. It's really rare. You don't see too many of these cars around. They got that cool. We'll go take a look in the back there in a second. Check out that boat tail look on it. This is a really cool car. Mike, you've got what? 71, 72 in the back?
There's a 71 in the back and another 73 in the back. And then there was this 73. It took all three of them apart to make one.
To make one, eh? That's the one. So a couple of years ago, my brother had a vehicle. I got him the stuff for Christmas time, and he did all the work to it, and we painted it. And he had it for 3 days, and the damn wheel came off and crushed the front fender?
The front fender,
and the driver's side door on it.
Cracked all the quarter panel on the driver's side.
Yeah, major piss off. So while I'm down here, I want to make sure we can get one of these vehicles all here fixed up for him. So this is his 73 Buick Riviera we got. This definitely needs a little bit more work to it out of all the ones. And here's the cool, I'll just pull back up here a bit. So this is what we're talking about here, the cool boat tail feature on these cars here. So this one, not terrible. There's actually not a whole lot of rot on this car. Just more of the surface rust like you see up here. But for stuff like this, I want to see if maybe we can find a sandblast place around Pembroke here. We can take this car too and get it sandblasted. Would probably be the best bet. As you can see, there's some little bit of rust here and there.
It's just heavy surface rust.
Yeah, heavy surface rust on it. So we can take it somewhere in Pembroke and see if we can get this car sandblasted. If we can get this sandblasted, we're gonna have an easier time with it to get this one repainted. So this is one option we have while I'm here. I might come back and we might do this one in a later video. We'll decide which one of these three videos would be the easiest one to do right now. So we'll check out that 70 Chrysler. So this is my brother's other vehicle. It's a 1970 Chrysler New Yorker. This one's in really good shape.
The body's all original on it. But as you stated the other day, it's officially not original paint.
Yeah.
I thought it was original paint.
Yeah, see, my brother thought it was original paint on these cars here. But if you take a look, I don't know if it's going to show up in the camera, but you got these nice swirl sand scratches here in the paint. So at some point in time, it looks like it was repainted because these sand scratches right here.
Little circular scratches.
Circular scratches from a sander. You can see on the front here and on the back. But this car overall is really nice condition. For a 1970, check out the interior in this. So the interior is not, the back seats are not in too bad shape. The front just needs a little bit of love there on the front seat, but other than that though, she's in pretty good shape.
And see this actual steering column, it's a 1 year only steering column.
Because this one here?
It has tilt, telescope, and it has the famous ring horn.
Oh, the ring horn,
which is the little black strip here is the actual horn.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we were getting that going there the other day with the girls. They were like that. So this is his 1970 New Yorker. So this is another. So Mike, you got this for what, $2,800?
$2,800, yeah.
$2,800 for this one. Canadian price too. So that's like almost, I don't know, that's half the price in US dollars.
That's like $2,000 US around there.
And then that's in this condition here. So for the Buick, you paid.
For the Buick, the first car, I paid. Well, Mom and Dad paid $900, and then the two cars at the back was $600 a piece.
$600 a piece.
The guy would not sell either one or sell parts or not. It was either take the two cars or don't.
So you got $600, $1,200, and this was $900, and that was when you were younger. There, Mom and Dad picked those up. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, the two at the back I ended up getting myself.
Oh, you got those ones.
I sold
okay.
Bought a car. It was an 83 Delta 88 I bought and sold, made a quick flip to get the two at the back. And then Mom and Dad were nice enough to buy the one for the $900 long ago.
Oh yeah, that was
the first one, which got me going.
So
man,
yeah, you would have
nice
been
car.
like 19 or something at the time. I think I painted that first one.
No, 18 I was.
18.
Actually.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That was
so
long ago.
Long ago. So $2,800, and he got a pair of these for $6,600. So just under
6 and 9.
Oh, that's almost. My math is bad right now, but that's like $2,200 or something.
Yeah, geez,
so
that up right now. Yeah.
Cheaper prices because these are going for like $3,500 a piece on $3,500, $4,500 in this shape or worse on Kijiji right now here in Canada. This in this condition is probably about $7,500 is what this is going for, and but this is his 70 Chrysler New Yorker. So this is an option here.
It's this car. It's the body style specifically like this, a fuselage C body. It's a 3-year body style from 69 to 71, but the New Yorker 70 is specifically only a 70 style because as these taillights, they're only 1970 only. Like this piece of trim, that piece of trim right here has been missing since the mid 80s, and even back then the guy couldn't find one of these cars in the junkyard for the taillight. You go on eBay and a taillight is roughly $300 to $400.
Oh, geez.
So that's why that piece of trim is just staying missing.
Just staying, no doubt, eh?
Yeah.
All right, so this is his Riviera. The Chrysler we have, this is another option. If we do this one, we're going to put that vinyl top back on it for sure. Yeah. So we'll go check out the other vehicle he's got here. It's a 1979.
Yeah, it's a 79
Silverado C10. So this is the other vehicle my brother's got. It's a 1979 Chevrolet Silverado C10. So what are you going to pick up this truck here for, Mike?
Okay, so it was this truck and a 74 C10 beside each other, and the guy wanted $1,200. I said sure, I agreed to it, whatever, and I took Mum there.
Yeah.
And Mum, you know, the way she wheels and deals, she got him down to $400 for both trucks.
$400. So this is a $400 truck. $400 truck?
Pretty well, yeah.
So this is the $400 Silverado C10. It's 1979. So $400.
Actually, it's a free truck.
Free.
Well, because I had all the 74 C10. I went and sold parts. Well, it's technically, yeah, it's free.
It's free truck. So he went and sold all the parts for it. So he ended up with this truck for free. So this is a free truck. That's what it's been paid for. So
yeah, it's free. Yeah,
free.
Got my money back out of the parts.
But this truck is in really good condition for being free. Like same thing on Kijiji and stuff like that, which is a website out here in Canada. I think it might be similar to Craigslist. These trucks here, you're probably sitting $3,500, $4,500 now. Something once for something like this in this shape.
Oh, the square bodies are getting crazy.
Yeah,
it's ridiculous. They're getting crazy now.
So what we're thinking here, I'm free for about 5 of the 12 days that I'm down here for this trip so far. So 5 days, right? Not quite enough time to completely redo a vehicle like that, but very wishful thinking on my part. That's for sure. But realistically though, it's only been 23 days since the time I filmed that video, so it's quite a lot of work got done to the truck in the meantime. But yeah, 5 days was not enough time, so I ended up canceling my flight. Got to stay here for a bit longer with my friends, my family, work on my brother's truck. We've almost got it done here now, so just wanted to point that out. A little bit more than 5 days, but still under a month. So anyways, back to the video. What we're thinking is the 5 days that I'm free, we're gonna knock this one out here. It's in really good shape. There's no dents, there's no dings on it. And the Chrysler one, when we do the Chrysler, you want to put the vinyl top on it we were talking about. So I don't have the vinyl top, or can't order the vinyl top, and I'd like to have the vinyl top here for that. So we're thinking the C10 here is going to be the one to do. So Mike, what kind of paint job you want to get on your truck?
I'd like to go back to the original paint scheme, which is the copper on the top, the copper on the bottom, and the white in the middle, because I just quick sprayed it black, because I mixed the two trucks together, stole the box from the other one, the doors and that.
Yeah, you had it all mixed up with different parts and stuff. So.
Yeah, so instead of being a clown truck, it was all one shade, so better black than all different colors.
So the black primer stayed for a little bit, but we can get this looking pretty good. So we'll end up going down to CarQuest here in Pembroke. We're gonna get the paint for it tomorrow, Monday when they're open. So it's gonna be the copper on a nice copper metallic on the top and the bottom. We'll get a nice cream or a white coming up the center here for them, and we'll do that because this one here it's really good. There's really no big dents or dings or nothing in it. If you can see down the body here, it's in really good shape. And you know, for a $400 truck, which he sold the parts for and made money off it, so it ended up with a free truck.
And I still have a pile of parts, a pile of spare parts. So I mean, what more could you ask for?
Oh, there you go. So you end up making more money.
I could still make some money still, yeah.
So you gotta get paid for making this truck, so that's all right. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see exactly how good we can make this truck look on a good budget. So stay tuned. All right, cool guys, so that's it for today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below in the comments section. You take the time out to leave me comments, I'm gonna take the time out to reply to you. So we've decided while I'm down here for the 5 days, we're gonna do a paint job of my brother's 1979 Chevrolet Silverado. We're gonna do the copper two-tone paint job with the copper and the white in the center. It's gonna make this truck look really good. I can't wait to get this done for him. So, yeah. So we'll do the little series on this truck here. At the end of the videos series, when it's all painted and done, I'll just go over everything and I'll show how low we were able to keep the budget and exactly all the materials and supplies I bought for it. And that's starting with nothing. Actually, the only thing we have here is a couple wrenches, screwdrivers, and there is a 20-gallon air compressor that's here that I used to paint his other vehicle with about 8-10 years ago. And there's a $40 primer gun and a $40 clear coat gun. That's what we got here so far for materials. So at the end of the video series, I'll show you exactly how we were able to change the look of this truck for the least amount of money spent on it. Really do this on a budget kind of paint job. And at the same time, there's no paint booth or nothing. This is in my parents' single car garage with very, very minimal lighting. So, all right, guys. Once again, thanks a lot for sticking around to the end of the video. And until next time, if it's not Raglan, it's not custom, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. So take care.
Down.